Hey guys, PLS just released their new rechargeable battery pack. If you're like me, you've used PLS lasers for a while, and having to carry AA batteries with you wasn't ideal. I got a chance to try out one of the batteries and do some testing. Here's what I found. This is a lithium-ion battery. Comes with a charging transformer rated from 100 to 240 volts and 50 to 60 hertz. Coming with multiple plug adapters, so it can be used internationally. Simply pull back on the button and the plug will pop out, then snap in the desired plug. This battery pack will fit on the 3R and G, 5R and G, 6R and G, and the 180R and G. You simply push down the lever on your existing pack to remove it, then inserting the bottom first, push in your new pack. You can also still use your existing battery pack as a backup if you forget to charge it. Now let's look at what we're really all concerned with, battery life. I performed 2 tests using the 6G line laser, one with just the level line and one with both the level and plumb lines. The level line lasted 29 hours and the level and plumb lines lasted 16 hours. That's a fair amount of time on the laser before you have to recharge. Now, charging time is around 6 hours, so you'll want to charge up the night before. I also like that it doesn't enlarge the footprint of the laser and the weight is around the same. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.